Alright, so back at Corona Crimps, last time I was here was April of 23. I was not able to grab the side pull. I was able to go to the Gaston and go up to the side pull. I wasn't able to even do that. Today it felt rather easy. It's incredible to see in little less than a year how much I've progressed. You gotta just trust the process. I've been training really hard and obviously doing a lot more climbing within the year. So that's the one thing I love about climbing, is that you could actually see the progress, chart the progress, and hard work pays off. Corona Crimps. Start with this side pull here. Undercling goes here and you put it on this edge here. Span out to this foot. And you grab this side pull right here. Got about a half a pad. Then you go to that, which is actually a pretty big Gaston, and switch to this crimp, half pad-ish. I bring my foot up from here to here, then I go up for that side pull. Match the side pull and top out.